Hello everyone, myself Dr. Avinash Singh, HOD and Associate Professor, Department of Paramedical Sciences, Rabindranath Tagore University. Today I will be delivering a lecture on Introduction of Nervous System from the course Neurology including Psychiatry and Neurosurgery. Here are 5 concise learning objectives for an introduction to the nervous system lecture. Understand the fundamental role of the nervous system in controlling and coordinating bodily functions. Differentiate between the central and peripheral nervous system, recognizing the key components of each. Describe the process of neural communication, including the structure of neurons and the role of neurotransmitters. Introduce common neurological disorders and emphasize the importance of understanding the nervous system in a clinical context. Introduction. The nervous system is a complex network of neurons communicating throughout the body, comprising the central nervous system CNS and peripheral nervous system PNS. It plays a pivotal role in regulating sensory input, integrating information and generating motor responses. Neurons, the fundamental units, transmit signals through synapses. The CNS, consisting of the brain and spinal cord, serves as the control center. While the PNS extends the network throughout the body, this intricate system enables organisms to adapt to their environment, respond appropriately to stimuli and maintain internal balance. From coordinating voluntary movements to regulating involuntary functions, the nervous system ensures overall physiological functionality. Its paramount importance lies in facilitating adaptive responses, allowing organisms to interact effectively with their surroundings, and ensuring the survival and well-being of the organism. Anatomy of the nervous system. The nervous system basic anatomy includes the central nervous system CNS, comprising the brain and spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system PNS, consisting of nerves outside the CNS. Neurons are the fundamental units with a cell body, dendrites receiving signals and an axon, that is transmitting signals. Synapses, the communication points between neurons, facilitate signal transmission. The CNS, as the control center, processes and integrates information. The PNS connects the CNS to the rest of the body, subdivided into somatic, voluntary and autonomic involuntary systems. The autonomic system further divides into sympathetic and parasympathetic branches, regulating involuntary functions like heartbeat. This intricate anatomy allows for sensory input reception, information processing and motor responses, enabling organisms to interact with their environment and maintain internal balance. Glial cells supporting the nervous system. While often overshadowed by neurons, glial cells play a vital role in maintaining the structural integrity and functions of the nervous system. Understanding the diverse function of glial cells is crucial for comprehensive learning of nervous system. The brain is the command center of the nervous system. The brain, a complex organ in the central nervous system, governs vital functions and cognitive processes. Comprising 86 billion neurons, it orchestrates a sensory perception, motor control, emotions and memory. Structurally diverse regions like the frontal lobe and hippocampus handle specific tasks. Encased in the protective skull, the brain constantly adapts through neuroplasticity, reshaping connections based on experiences. As the epicenter of consciousness, it directs through behaviors and bodily functions, making it indispensable for human functioning, and understanding the intricate interplay of neural networks within this organ is crucial for comprehending various aspects of cognition and behavior. The spinal cord, pathway for communication. The spinal cord, an essential component of the central nervous system, runs through the vertebral column, serving as a vital communication pathway between the brain and rest of the body. Composed of nerve fibers and protected by vertebra, it facilitates the transmissions of sensory signals to the brain and motor signals from the brain to muscles and organs. The spinal cord also plays a key role in reflex actions, enabling swift responses to stimuli without direct brain involvement. Its crucial function relying information underscores its significance in coordinating voluntarily and involuntary actions essential for overall bodily function. The peripheral nervous system connecting the body. The peripheral nervous system extends beyond the central nervous system, encompassing nerves and ganglia throughout the body. It comprises the somatic nervous system governing voluntary muscle movements and sensory input, and the autonomic nervous system regulating involuntary functions like heartbeat and digestion. The autonomic nervous system further divides into sympathetic and parasympathetic branches. Maintaining physiological balance, peripheral nerves transmit sensory information to the central nervous system and convey motor commands to muscles and glands. The PNS is integral for responsive interactions with the external environment and the internal coordination of bodily functions, ensuring effective communication between the CNS and the rest of the body. Physiology of the nervous system. The physiology of the nervous system encompasses the dynamic mechanisms underlying information processing and transmission throughout the body. Neurons, specialized cells, generate electrical impulses that propagate through axons. At synapses, neurotransmitters bridge the gap, allowing communication between neurons. The central nervous system, comprising the brain and spinal cord, integrates and interprets signals. The peripheral nervous system connects the CNS to sensory organs, muscles and glands. The autonomic nervous system modulates involuntary processes with the sympathetic and parasympathetic branches, maintaining a balance. Sensory and motor pathways. The sensory and motor pathways are essential for perceiving stimuli and executing voluntary movements. Understanding the organization and integration of these pathways is crucial for diagnosing and treating sensory and motor impairments. Neurological disorders and rehabilitation. Neurological disorders such as stroke, spinal cord injury, and neuropathies pose significant challenges to patients' functional abilities. Exploring the pathophysiology and evidence-based rehabilitation approaches is essential for optimizing patient outcomes. Role of the nervous system in physiotherapy. The nervous system plays a crucial role in movement, sensation, and motor control, making it a central focus of physiotherapy practice. Understanding the interplay between neurological function and physical rehabilitation is crucial for optimizing patient recovery and function. Advancements in neurorehabilitation techniques. Innovative neurorehabilitation techniques such as robot-assisted therapy and neuromodulation are revolutionizing the treatment of neurological conditions. Exploring these cutting-edge interventions is essential for staying at the forefront of neurological physiotherapy practice. Conclusion. The nervous system is a remarkable and integrated system that underpins human movement, sensation, and cognition. Its understanding is indispensable for physiotherapy practice, enabling the optimization of patient outcomes and functional recovery. Finally, I want to express my sincere thanks for attentive presence during today's lecture. Your patience and focus are truly appreciated. Keep up the excellent work and feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.